Hello, this is a short video to show DocMoto working with emails. Specifically, what I'm going to show you today is how to create an email from within DocMoto and how to add documents stored within DocMoto as attachments to emails. Now, DocMoto works with Apple Mail, with Microsoft Outlook and with Mozilla's Postbox. For the purposes of this demonstration today, I'm going to be using Apple Mail. So the first thing that we need to do, we're now in the DocMoto client, and I'm just going to show you the preferences. So to do this, we go to DocMoto client and select Preferences. And if you select the Mail tab, here you will see that we've already entered in some standard text for you. And this is the text that will automatically be inserted into any emails you create from within DocMoto. Of course, this is fully user definable so that you can change it if required. So we find our document, we right mouse click and we select Mail as attachment. Here again you can see that it's automatically entered the text that we just saw in our preferences. So all we do, we just enter in some brief information and we select Open in Email. And here we have an Apple email opened. We can see that we've got the document that we wish to send as an attachment. We just finish off the email, put in who we're sending it to, and press Send. And if we go to our Apple Mail and look in our sent items, you can see that the email has been sent. So that was creating an email from within DocMoto. Now the second thing I'm going to show you today is how to add documents stored within DocMoto as attachments to emails. So to do this, we just need to go back to our preferences again. So we select Preferences from the drop-down menu and we select the Download tab, and what we need to do is allow drag and drop. So we click that option and press Close. What we need to do now is find the email that we wish to respond to and we press Open to View. And what's important to note is that the whole time we're working within DocMoto, the original email was already stored in DocMoto, and all we're doing, we're going to respond to that email. So everything is kept centrally, it's content searchable and it's accessible to all of your staff. So we've got the email here and we're just typing in our message. Then all we need to do is go back to the DocMoto client. We need to navigate to the document that we wish to send, and then it's simply a matter of dragging that document onto the email. So we drag it onto the email. There we can see that we have the document, we have the email. You can even quick look the document to check that it's the correct one. And then you press Send. And again, if we go back to Apple Mail and look in our sent items, we can see that that email has been sent. So that's how you add documents stored within DocMoto as attachments to emails. Now, as I've mentioned before, what's important here is that everything is stored centrally within DocMoto. It means that it's accessible to all of your staff and fully content searchable. That concludes this short video on DocMoto working with emails. Thank you.